our house, and despite moving during this time of year, we still decided to plant some starts, and we have to start from scratch today. So we're going to figure out where we're going to put all of those. So we've got this area back here that we're going to clean out, this whole area, so we can start our garden. Our starts are getting a little too big for their britches, so we need to get them in the ground.
Yeah, starting to look a little sad, so we need to get them in the ground.
Okay, so we're gonna just
get busy.
Get busy.
You can see our starts are starting to get a little big and a little sad. They've been over at our other house for a while now, and so they haven't been getting us fed as much as they should be. But I'm not too worried about the cucumbers and stuff. I can direct plant those if I have to. Tomatoes and stuff, they'll come back fine. So I'm trying to get a place set up for them. Some of these plants and stuff are my parents who moved in the back, so we're gonna haul her stuff back down there to her.
See that blue bug? Weird.
That's a long drive to my parents' house.
Here we are. Hello. How are y'all? My name's Teddy.
Our little left our little tripod at the house, so
Well,
we've got a
bye-bye.
Yeah, we left all the tripods at the other house.
Oh, wow.
I'm not sure you put your grain in here or where, but you would turn it and manually make your grain, crunch your grain, ground it up in the flour or whatever.
That's cool. Think we can lift it? Okay. Hi, girls. What you doing, pretty girls? Hi. Hi. Hi, Toby. Hi, handsome. Hi, Isla girl. Hi. What you doing back there, Blu-ray? Hi. Pretty girls. The chickens seem to be adjusting really well back here. They have a lot more room in this little strip area than they had at our other house. That little framed-in area is all the room that they had. But they seem to really be enjoying it. Sophie doesn't enjoy that I'm holding her right now so she doesn't run off or run in front of the truck. She looks pitiful. We gotta put our little chicken table back in there. Here's the coop. We just cut the legs off and brought it over here. I was really worried about them jumping up on top of the roof and jumping over this little fence. But they haven't jumped over the fence. They do get up there to roost at night, and we do have to put a couple of them back every night, but they're doing pretty good. They're doing pretty good, huh, girls? Hi, sweet girls. All right, back to work. Hi, sweet boy. This is Toby. He's our rescue dog. Well, all of our rescue dogs, but he's our oldest guy. He's our only boy. And he is 10 years old. Yeah. You sweet boy. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You good boy. Got our babies over here yesterday. Our strawberries. This will be our second year with these strawberries. So we'll be super excited to get to pick some. Got a couple coming up. A few blooms. Yay. Here's our chives. They're doing really well. Here's our blueberries. I'll be super excited to get some blueberries off of those. Here's our other blueberry bush, which is not doing much right now. This is our sad mint plant. But there's a little bit of green in there, and we all know how mint does once it's given any attention. So we'll have that back in no time. Here's, what do I spy, Toby? Yay! We have a strawberry. Nice. Nope, you gotta stay out of them. Love you.
See how that thing's going backwards?
Oh. I learned something new today. Man, moving is exhausting. This is our first time trying to get a house sold too, so trying to move into a new house, get everything unpacked where it goes, and still make it over to the old house and get it completely ready. It's just, I'll just be so glad when it's all finished and our house is on the market and we don't have to go to town to do that every day. And we can focus on getting our house here put together. I just kept yo-yoing back and forth as to whether I wanted to, you know, of course our main goal is to get the house on the market, and but also whenever you're exhausted at the end of the day and you're coming back to your new place, you want to know where things are. And I was getting to the point where if anyone asked me where something was one more time, I was gonna lose it because I don't know. The answer is always I don't know. I don't know where things are, but things are better now. We have taken a day over there, taken a day over here, and things are much better. So today we're taking a day off from painting and spent most of the day resting, but now we're going to, you know, fix up this little area and see if we can't level it and make it into a nice garden bed. So yeah.
So, how's your recording?
My recording's good. How's your recording?
Pretty good.
Nice. Good job.
Thank you.
Smells good in here. What you cooking?
Burgers. They're done. If you haven't seen me cook burgers before, check out that video.
Oh yeah.
Oh wait, I forgot to put the cheese.
Yeah, he's got a video where he made his burgers before. He's like our burger master. This is a picture of my daughter. How Okay, well we got it down there, Grandma and Grandpa's, and it looks really nice. You should go check it out. I was down there for a little bit. Okay, it's time to eat.
Okay, that wraps our day up. We got the awning moved, I guess is what you would call it now. It's attached to my parents' house. He's gonna fix it up later, level it out and get it nice looking. We got a clear area where we can start planting some of our plants and get her flowers in the ground. Yeah. And then onto the other side where we'll plan on making some bigger raised beds so we can get a bigger garden going.
Yes.
But that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.